When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades offer as many benefits as impact windows. These high-performance windows are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions while providing year-round advantages in style, security, and efficiency. For homeowners in Kendall, installing impact windows can significantly increase your home's value and curb appeal, making them a worthwhile investment. Here's a closer look at how Kendall Impact Windows enhance your property and why they should be at the top of your home improvement list. What are impact windows? Impact windows, often called hurricane windows, are specially designed to resist breakage from strong winds, flying debris, and other severe weather conditions. Made with durable frames and laminated glass that contains a tough interlayer, these windows remain intact even when damaged, offering superior protection and peace of mind. Boosting home value. Enhanced safety and security. One of the most attractive features of impact windows for potential buyers is their safety. Kendall residents know the risks associated with hurricane season, and homes equipped with impact windows offer a significant advantage. These windows provide round-the-clock protection, eliminating the need for unsightly hurricane shutters and making your home safer from intruders. By installing impact windows, you're offering a premium feature that adds value to your property. Buyers are often willing to pay more for homes with built-in protection against Florida's unpredictable weather. Energy efficiency. The impact windows are highly energy efficient, thanks to their advanced design, which includes insulated glass and low emissivity, low-E, coatings. These features help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering energy bills. A home with lower utility costs is more appealing to potential buyers, further increasing its market value. Insurance savings. Many insurance companies offer discounts to homeowners with impact windows due to their storm-resistant properties. Highlighting these savings to potential buyers can make your home stand out in the competitive Kendall real estate market. Elevating curb appeal. Modern aesthetics. Impact windows are available in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to customize the look to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of double-hung windows or the sleek appeal of casement designs, impact windows can enhance the overall look of your home's exterior. Seamless integration. Unlike traditional hurricane shutters, which can be bulky and unattractive, impact windows blend seamlessly into your home's design. They provide unobstructed views and let in natural light while maintaining the structural integrity of your home during storms. Clean lines and maintenance-free finish. Impact windows are designed for durability, with finishes that resist fading, chipping, and corrosion. This means your windows will retain their clean, polished appearance for years, contributing to a well-maintained and visually appealing exterior. Long-term durability and cost savings. While the initial investment in impact windows may seem high, their long-term benefits outweigh the costs. Their durability means fewer repairs and replacements over time, and their energy-efficient features result in ongoing savings on utility bills. For prospective buyers, this combination of reduced maintenance and cost efficiency adds significant appeal to your home. Why impact windows matter in Kendall? Living in Kendall means dealing with the unique challenges of Florida's tropical climate. From hurricane season to intense heat and humidity, homeowners face year-round environmental pressures. Impact windows address these challenges by protecting against hurricane-force winds and debris, providing UV protection to prevent interior fading and damage, reducing outside noise, creating a more peaceful living environment, maintaining energy efficiency in a hot, humid climate. These benefits make impact windows an invaluable feature for any Kendall home. Choosing the right impact windows for your home. When selecting impact windows, consider factors such as material. Vinyl and aluminum are popular choices for their durability and low maintenance. Glass options. Look for windows with low E coatings and insulated glass for maximum efficiency. Style. Choose a design that enhances your home's architectural aesthetic, from traditional to modern. Professional installation. Proper installation is crucial for ensuring your impact windows perform as intended. Partner with experienced professionals in Kendall to get the job done right. A smart investment for your Kendall home. Impact windows are more than just a functional upgrade. They're an investment in your home's safety, value, and aesthetic appeal. By choosing impact windows, you're not only protecting your home but also enhancing its marketability and curb appeal in a competitive real estate market. Ready to transform your home with Kendall Impact Windows? Contact a trusted local provider today to explore your options and take the first step toward a safer, more beautiful, and more valuable home.